What up guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is obviously a repair video. If you're new to the channel, I got a C63 2019 stage 2. We are going to be replacing the purge valve in this video. Now the reason for this video is because this is a common issue for the C63s and it's a very easy fix. It takes 10 minutes less. All you need is a screwdriver and a bit, your hands. And this part, I will show you guys the part number. I'll show you step by step how to replace this and the results. All right, so we got my C63 right here. Look at this view. Just admire this view real quick. Sick. So I know you guys probably have some questions like, why am I fixing up my car in a parking structure? I actually live here. It's in an apartment. I moved. I'll explain later in another video. I just got an apartment, but this video is about fixing this little thing. Do you hear that ticking noise? If you touch this, you could feel the ticks. So I called Mercedes. I'm like, let me get the purge valve because I've seen videos on people saying that this is what it takes to fix the ticking noise. And let's see if that's true. We're about to get rid of this noise. The only reason why I'm doing this is because when I'm trying to sell my car, and so far some people think that like there's a problem with the car, but there isn't because of this ticking noise. So we're gonna fix this up and then it's gonna sound like brand new. These are common to go bad. Some people say they like go bad after like 2,000 miles. One of my buddies said that it really does no benefit changing it, but obviously, with this noise, I'm kind of annoyed by it. So I'm just gonna replace it for the sake of the noise. All right, so I got the hood raised, got the part right here. This is the part number, if you guys wanna take a screenshot. And I don't have all my tools. My tools are at my garage, but I got this is all you need, a screwdriver and your hand. And this, let's figure out which one I need to replace because there are two. Now look at this. This part is a Bosch part made in, I don't know where that is, Republic. That's the part number. So I'm gonna try to match it with, they're probably the same honestly, but let's just to make sure. All right, so what you're gonna want to do is, you see this metal piece right here? That metal piece, you're gonna want to take it out like this, and then you can take this out. And then there's a clip right here, which is this clip. Take that out from there, and then you just push this pin down and you pull. And then to take this out, all you gotta do is push this and pull. Twist and pull, and then you can take this out. And then I've seen videos, they just twist this off. All right, so I installed this. That's the new one. Let's start it up and let's cross fingers that this works. Give it a quick rev real quick. So sounds pretty good so far. So do you hear that tick? So sounds. Now I hope this video helps you, and stay tuned. There's gonna be more videos coming. So in the meantime, since I have this and it's not sold yet, I will be posting more videos. In the meantime, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.